What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this pressure washer hose. And yes, if my knees are ashy, excuse the ashy knees. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So this right here is a 50-foot line for the pressure washer. Yeah. Water pressure washer? What is this?
Pressure washer.
Yeah. I did it again. So this is a 50-foot line for our pressure washer. Now, why did I buy this? I'm gonna tell you why I bought this. For one, I bought this because I need a longer line, you guys. And for two, I bought this because I have this tool right here from Miko. I reviewed Miko foam sprayer. As everybody's cleaning up right now, I can hook it up. I'm gonna be honest, this line is very flexible. All right, you guys, and this comes with many attachments. And y'all know the one I'm gonna use the most is the quick connect. So this thing comes with a quick connect. Maybe that's what I should have put on first, right? But I'm gonna take everything out right here. And that's why I bought this one. They do have another one where they don't have the quick connects. You may not need these connections because if you have this piece already, then you can go ahead and hook this up. So there's no thread right there. Right here is tight as it can get. And now we're about to hook it up to the pressure washer. All right, old one off, and we're gonna put the new one on. You just make sure your gasket or O-ring is with your product, or else water will go everywhere. And it screws right on. This is a Sunjoe. I'll post the information. I got this from Sam's Club, you guys. This is just a regular pressure washer. I'm gonna turn the water on. And it's leaking. All right, you guys, so the way I had to hook it up, I had to use the quick connect because when I use this part right here, when I was just going into the thread of here, it wasn't going in all the way and it was leaking. So I had to use the quick connect because the female on this is shorter than the female on here. Okay, so the female on this one has a deeper thread hole, and then the female on this quick connect is a shorter thread hole. So I am using quick connect, so nice and easy, and that's it. So I like quick connect better anyway, instead of keep threading it, and it's easier to put your hose away. So yeah, that's it with this water pressure line right here. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.